Isimo sezulu esibi eKapa sikhahlameze ingqalazizinda eningi nokholele ekutheni izidingonqangi ezifana namanzi kanye nogesi ziphazamiseke. Kanti sebebathathu abantu okubikwe ukuthi bamuke nomfula.
In Bot River, the part of the road with the bridge was washed away with the car on it. There was 2 people in the car. They managed to save one. Still looking for the other one, but it doesn't look good. In the Lizoyinqoba, there's also 2 people missing.
Ingu-250 imindeni esikhoseliswe ezindaweni zomphakathi eziphephile eVillersdorp.
250 affected families that to be relocated in Villiers-Dorp to the local creche. I am aware that Gift of the Givers are partially assisting there, and I believe that they will be contacting Provincial Disaster Management for further assistance.
Kusenjalo, uMasipala iNelson Mandela Bay ubike ukuthi bangaphezu kwekhulu abantu abakhishwe emjondolo yasePolar Park ngenxa yamanzi abesegcwele ezindlini. Izangoma zezulu iSouth African Weather Service zithi kulindeleke enye imvula enamandla eEastern Cape kanti kungenzeka ligcine likhithika.
We're still expecting much more of the showers and rain to persist along the central and the eastern areas of the Western Cape province, spreading all over to the Eastern Cape province. I think the Eastern Cape is where now we look at much more of the warnings for tomorrow, where we have disruptive rain, not only limited to the eastern parts of the Western Cape province, but as the system starts to exit the country, we are still expecting heavy rains to persist over the central and the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape province.
Izindawo ezimaphakathi nezwe kulindeleke ukuba kube nomoya ohambisana nokuduma, kanti ezindaweni ezisogwini kulindeleke ukuthi kuqhubeke nokuyidliva njengoba eThekwini line ubusuku bonke bayizolo.